as a president begins to step off the stage, people begin to feel a little more charitable toward them, and that's probably what's going on here.
Speaking of charitable, I want to focus on
Orange.
the aspect of this, only because so we have these new numbers out that show he's actually
Hi, baby.
than Barack Obama, which first time he's achieved
That's
that.
Tan boy.
He did an interview in the New York Times Magazine, and again, sort of
Red
leads the
posing
role for
once again.
which makes sense to me, especially if you want to have a voice for those who will be 78.
Right, and I think he wants to have a voice. He'll still have a memoir to sell.
And there they go.
So he wants to maintain some type of relevance. I think the direction the Democratic Party is in, I don't even know whether Barack Obama's Democratic Party now would be able to nominate Joe Biden 4 years from now. They seem to be going in a much more leftist direction. And I think
That's
the big
purple.
stars in this confirmation hearing so far are women. Senator Kamala Harris out of California, and then Senator
Hi, guys.
Julep from New York. I think that's what
Okay, stay there, babies.
as much as people
There's
like
Mr. Blue.
I think he's kind of
You guys, stop coming to me. There we go. There's everybody. Hi, Mr. Blue.
Is relevant.
Yeah, exactly. He is the guy.
There he
who
is.
Democrats can't duplicate in a new
Pink
generation.
girl.
That's the Blue-collar America. The guy from Scranton. This is the guy who can be both a progressive as well as
Orange girl eating my pants.
whisperer, if you will. And we don't really have anybody like that right now, and that's a big problem.
Where are you guys going?
You know, we got to remind everybody, we don't know what the environment will look like. It's possible the country wants the experienced 30-year legislature.
Pink girl.
Right? What would be the exact opposite of Donald Trump right now? Right? Somebody who has too much Washington.
And Orange still
Maybe
eating my
that is
pants.
It isn't the craziest notion that might
Who's this?
actually fit what the electorate may want for you.
No, at least, I mean, in terms of
Mr. Tan boy.
Joe Biden, I think that
And somebody's over there sleeping.
presidential election, he's at an age where
Who's that? Let's go see who's over here.
electing
Hey, hey, hey.
somebody who's that old to the presidency. So I think that
Who's that? Who's that?